and host of students, which are students in high school, they're required to get a signed consent form from their parents to participate in the MRC. And this last one we have been working on, and we have not been able to work out anything, which I think is a disservice, but it's nothing I can do. MRC volunteers are not covered under workers' comp right now, and they have been working on that because I think it's very important. If you ask somebody to volunteer and something happens to them, you should cover them, but I'm just one person. So. How do you sign up? SC Serve, our South Carolina statewide emergency registry of volunteers, is how you sign up, and I have brochures on that, so you can take that with you if you would like. And it just pre-registers you in the database. So this is the database that we will go to when we need volunteers. And it'll ask you a whole lot of information, medical history, education, license information, if you have that, all of that. And you're required to, we ask that you keep those profiles updated with current contact information, like your email, your phone numbers, license and training information. So any training that we provide to you, if you could put that in that database so we can kind of keep up with who's had what. So, we never know when anything's going to happen. We didn't know we were going to get all that ice and that snow, did we? I didn't even, I mean, being new to MRC, I didn't really think of that as an emergency, but you never know. I mean, if lights go out, if your power goes out, people need shelter, and people need help that way. So you never know when anything's going to happen. These are just some of the things that we can probably remember in the last few years, the last few months, really. But we know that we'll need trained and credentialed volunteers to help us who are already in our system. So, and that's why we're asking, or I'm not begging.
Encouraging.
I'm encouraging you to sign up. You know, and if you're not available, you're not available. I mean, you have families too. You have responsibilities. But if you think that there's something that you might be willing to do, this is something that you're interested in, sign up. So that's all I have. And I have some email addresses. This is our Medical Reserve Corps website. And this will give you information about the Medical Reserve Corps nationwide. And you can also look at the unit's activities. You can log in and see Region 3's unit activities. And then this is how you sign up. And this is my email address and my phone number. So I'll leave that up there. Any questions for me?
Is there a time commitment if you volunteer?
It all depends on the event. If you sign up, I'll send out information about meetings and things like that. And if you can come, that would be nice. If you can't because of some other obligation, it's totally understandable. Because I try to have meetings on weekends. That works for some people. I try to have meetings in the evening during the weekdays. That works for some people. It just depends. I know people have other lives, you know. So there's no real time commitment. It's whatever you can do because you're a volunteer. So, yeah.
When you go on the first one, it'll give you different areas that would be just rather than following any of the areas that are there.
What county are you? Saluda. Saluda would be. I'm trying to think. I can't remember all the regions right off the top of my head, but yeah, that's not in our region. But if you want information, if you give me your email address or your phone number, then I can send that to you for Saluda County.
But there would be an MRC unit for...
There are MRC units for every county in the state of South Carolina. I would just probably get them mixed up for you. And that's just what I do right now, get everything mixed up. But I'll give that information to you. Any other questions? Well, thank y'all for having me.
Thank
I
you.
won't keep